Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will teach you how you can backup the data from your Blogger website and migrate Blogger website to your WordPress website. Let's start. You need to sign in your Blogger account and go to your website dashboard. Click on others. As you to click on the backup content button. Click on save to your computer. By clicking this button, all the data from your Blogger website will be saved to your computer. So this is my website which I created in WordPress to copy my all the data from Blogger website to my WordPress website. So you need to click on Tools and Import button. Select the file and install it. Data completed successfully. Clicking on Post button. So successfully we back up the data from Blogger website to WordPress website.